So, I thought I would make a quick video just to make things easier. So when I'm specifying a scope, first of all, if it's bug bounty, you need to have a look at what the in scope assets are. Now, if they're a wildcard, usually I just like to set the scope to use advanced scope control and just say it's a wildcard. Just say, for instance, BMW is a wildcard. I will do something like this. So I'll go. I'll do this regex, which basically, well, actually, first of all, I'll click on the Apex domain and just go here, and then we can paste this in. And what we can do is we can do a regex here, which will basically say capture anything that is a subdomain of BMW. And then what we want to do is go to our proxy settings and make sure that we have in the request interception rules um, uh, this one here. We want to make sure that we're only capturing in scope URLs. So it will only capture URLs that match this like this scope or this filter here. So now, if we turn on the interception proxy and we capture that request, you can see that it's only going to be intercepting subdomains of BMW. Now, if you want to get a bit fancy, I know a lot of hackers like what's his name, Jason Haddix does this, where he will just say we'll remove this, and he will just put in like a host name. So, for instance, BMW, and that's it. He does it with Tesla. He'll just put Tesla, and what that will do is it will capture anything that contains BMW in the URL. And with BMW, they pay for out of scope assets. No, out of scope vulnerabilities. Well, they pay bonuses for out of scope vulnerabilities. So if you find a bug that's not in the scope of the BMW program, then you just get paid a bonus if it belongs to BMW. Sometimes it's just like a vendor of something, you know. So now if we do something like let's say we do this one here, BMW Golf Cup.de, right? Um, you can see that it's capturing that as well because BMW is in that URL. So this allows us to kind of, cover, increase breadth, get more coverage. It increases our attack surface, and it covers a lot more assets because we're not just relying on wildcards or, capturing just subdomains of the Apex domain. We're also capturing anything that contains BMW in the URL. So this is how you can set the scope in Burp. And yeah, let me know how you go.